Hi there, welcome back. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are really great, awesome, fantastic, excellent, superb, like always. So yeah, and I'm here once again. Yeah, this is the new addition to this particular course. This is gonna be a complete brand new chapter to this course that is gonna be totally based on business stationery design. So yeah, this is exactly what you're going to learn in this particular chapter. So if you are already a student of this course, then you already know that how to create awesome logos, how to create icons, how to create a web design, like for desktop, for mobile, and for tablet also, and how to create mockups, and then where to find your information for your graphic design, where to find royalty-free images, and then creating all those graphics and selling it to the market place. Well, now in this particular chapter you are going to just extend your knowledge even further. You're going to learn that how to create printable business card designs, vertical and horizontal. Then you're going to learn that how to create company letterhead, invoices, then how to create envelopes, I mean standard 10 size envelope, big size of envelope, and then how to create CD labels. And then you are going to also learn that how to create your graphics for social media, I mean for Facebook, so how to create profile pic and cover for your brand. Then you're also going to learn that how to do in Google Plus, and for Twitter and for YouTube. Yeah, all this packed in this particular chapter, and this is what exactly you are going to learn in this particular chapter. So now let me just quickly show you that what exactly you are going to learn and what it's gonna look like. So first of all, we will create some awesome printable template here. Then we're actually going to decide our safe zone area, bleed, then we're actually going to create a grid, and then we're actually going to just properly align our content and make it as awesome as possible. So yeah, here you can see this is actually document setup for our business card. You can see there's a bleed, there's a safe zone area, there's a grid, so we can actually properly align our content. So here we go, this is your business cards. So this look really nice, and even there's some more best practices you will learn throughout this chapter. So yeah, this is your business card design. This is actually horizontal one, and obviously we are going to set up the document for our vertical business card design, and then there is your vertical business card design. Great. Next we're actually going to learn that how to create letterhead. So this is actually document setup for letterhead, and this is actual blank letterhead. So if you want to add something here, you can just go ahead and do it. It's really easy. Then we're actually going to design our letterhead, and there we go. This is your letterhead, and you can see there's actually a recipient address, subject, then the name of your client, and some paragraph, and etc. And then I will show you that how to create invoice. So obviously we have our letterhead, we can simply just go ahead and create invoice on that. After that, you're going to learn that how to create envelopes design. So here you can see this is actually the document setup for envelope. Great. So this is actually standard 10 size envelope, and I'm going to design this envelope as the standard 10 size envelope based on US Postal Service. So actually we have this template, and I'm going to provide you that, and then we'll actually go ahead and create our real envelope. So this is going to be one front side. You can see it. This is really awesome, and this is actually created by using best practices you will learn throughout this course. And then we're actually going to create another front side, which is this one. So this is going to be a real demo, right, that flipping envelope. And then we are going to create our back side of envelope, this one. And after that, we're actually going to create our big size of envelope. That is going to be a biggest size. So you can just go ahead and you can see this one. Great. So this is the biggest size envelope, and you can just just half fold your letterhead, and you can just paste into this one and send it to your client. That's really great. Obviously this is front side, so we're also going to design our back side, and this look like this one. Great. And after that, we are going to learn that how to design CD label. So you can see here, this is actually CD label here, and then so this is going to be our actual CD here. You can see this very clearly here. That's really great. And there's actually lots of things you need to consider before designing your CD template or CD label, and I will talk about it when you actually visit to this particular video. After this one, I'm going to show you that how to create your graphics for social media. And in this particular chapter, I'm going to show you 4 social media. First of all, the first one is Facebook, the second one is Twitter, the third one is Google, and the fourth one, which is for YouTube. And this video is actually requested video. This video is actually requested video by our student. So if you want to request request another video for another social media graphic design, then you can simply post into the forum and I will create a video on that as soon as possible. So yeah, let's talk about it. So first of all, I'm going to just go to this Facebook here, and you can see I'm going to provide you this particular template. So you can simply just go ahead and design your Facebook profile pic and cover, and that's it. This is going to be great. So yeah, in this case you can see this is very simple. Well, I just made it very simple because if I just make it complicated, it will actually going to take a lot of time and make this video lengthy, unnecessary. So I'm just going to focus on the best practices, okay? And later, once you learn this one, then you can just go ahead and make it look as awesome as possible. So yeah, this is Facebook, and this is for Twitter, and next one is we have this is for Google, and next one we actually have this is for YouTube. And here you can see it very clearly that you can see this yellow rectangle here. You can actually only see this yellow rectangle, this part here, in your desktop and mobile devices. But when you open your channel on smart TVs, I mean televisions, then you will going to see actual this entire image here, including this one. So now this graphic is optimized for desktop, mobile, and your television, I mean smart TVs. And yeah, obviously I'm going to show you that how to do that. So this is really great. And after that, I'm going to show you a couple of marketplaces where actually you can earn money by whatever you learn and understand in this particular chapter, or simply in this entire course. So yeah, this is gonna be great. So now let's go ahead and start learning business stationery design with Photoshop and Illustrator. So thank you so much for joining in this movie. See you in the next movie.